guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and it is the Vegan Kind lifestyle box. So this is this the lifestyle box? I've said that. Yeah, it's the lifestyle box. So it's the snack box. I got a subscription for this and the beauty box. I can't remember how much it is because I'm a crap YouTuber. I'll put it on the screen. You get vegan snacks. I've had like a calendar in it before. I think I got like a cute little like a bamboo cutlery set last month, which I really liked. Yeah, it's just a fun box to get. I like it. I'm not vegan. I do try and cook lots of vegan dinners though if I can, and I try to minimize meat that I eat, and I like to know where it's come from if I do eat meat. And I try and do free range everything if I can, but I am not a vegan because I love cheese and steak and bacon. But yeah, I try to do at least 2 vegan meals a week for me and 1 or 2 for the kids if I can get them to eat it. It doesn't happen very often for them, but I try. So this is the box. Introducing the Vegan Kind Plus. Exclusive deals are only available on the Vegan Kind Plus. The moment you've been waiting for, our most requested feature ever, is finally here. You asked for a scheme that rewarded our loyal subscription box customers, and now it is. Now all the Vegan Kind subscription box customers will automatically enjoy discounts and offers at the Vegan Kind supermarket. Oh, that's cool. So, this is the February lifestyle box. It says, we know how especially exciting receiving parcels is in the mail at the moment, so we hope that this box brightens your day, and we hope that you enjoy the goodies in this month's box too. We've included some amazing brand new products and some of our old favourites. Let us and all the brands know what you think. You get a recipe card as well, which I love, and then you can get like a binder to put them all in, which is really cool. That's for crispy tofu. I hate tofu. I've tried it so many times and it just not for me. Yeah, so let's have a look. So the first thing I've got, cauliflower crisps. Oh, I love cauliflower so much. It's one of my favourite things ever. And I'm not even being like facetious or sarcastic or anything. I just freaking love cauliflower. So I'm very excited to try these. Are Nudie snacks, Katsu curry flavour. These are amazing. Cauliflower crisps, Katsu curry flavour with 40% real cauliflower. Only 150 calories per pack. Very exciting. Let's try these. They don't smell of much. They look like lentil chips. They don't taste like katsu curry, but they're good. Oh, they're yummy. Oh my god. I would not know that was curry flavour. It just tastes savoury, but they're really nice. Next, I've got some Zenbee pumpkin apple and cacao nib bites. These feel squishy. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, there. £3. So these are the Zenbee Veggie Bites, £3. Wow, that's a lot in a little bag. Snacking fanatics will love the delicious range from the plant-powered lifestyle brand Zenbee. Inspired by the concept Zenbu, the Japanese phrase for whole, Zenbee uses as much of the whole vegetable as possible, including the parts that are often discarded, such as seeds, stem, skin, and peel. The new range has carrot, pineapple and coriander, pumpkin, apple and cacao, beetroot, orange and cacao, red pepper and chili, or sweet potato, mango and cinnamon. So I don't think I'm going to like these, but we'll have a look. Oh, it is wet. Be a grown up and swallow it. Come on. Ugh. Oh my god, that was horrible. Ugh. I didn't like that, if you didn't realise. Yeah. Okay. Next, I've got Zest, Coriander and Basil Pesto with hazelnuts and cashews. We use a lot of pesto in this house. So, the kids will be excited for that. They love pesto. That is... £2.50. Next, I've got the Humble Co. Dental Floss Mint Flavour. Cruelty-free and vegan floss. £3.49. Floss like a boss. Cleaning your teeth has never been easier or tastier. Refreshing flavoured. Candilla wax covered. Slightly textured thread. It's designed to gently remove the hidden nasties and leave your mouth feeling fresh and clean. That's lovely. Let's have a little look. I love me some floss. Get out of the box. Oh, it's cute. So it's like in a little... It's just on a little thread. That's cute. It smells really nice and minty. Lovely stuff. Okay, next I've got Vegum Sassy Strawberry Gummy drenched in chocolate, and it's got a Pusheen kitty cat on it. Freedom, oh, is it Sweet Freedom? Freedom Pusheen Veggie, $1.99. First ever chocolate coated vegan gummy bar. The sassy strawberry bar is drenched in dark chocolate and is free from all major allergens, including gluten, gelatin, soy, egg, dairy, and has no artificial colours or flavourings. I don't usually like gummy sweets, but I'll have a go. Because it's got dark chocolate, so. It's a hefty bar. Very pink. I feel like my children will like this. Okay. It tastes nice, but I'm not a massive fan of the texture. It's very much like the inside of a Jaffa cake, which I don't mind with, like, that's a very thin layer. And that's got like the cake and the chocolate, but that is just gummy. But it tastes like Quality Street or like Rose's Strawberry Dream one, which is amazing. I'm just not 100% sold on the texture of that. Very impressive that it's vegan though, so that's good. Next we've got vegan marshmallows. These are Dandy's vanilla flavoured vegan marshmallows. That's a big old bag. These are £4.19. Looks like a normal marshmallow. Tastes like a marshmallow. Mmm. They're yummy. That is very impressive. Mmm. Mmm. Back of the neck. And the last thing I've got is a Peaks Crunched. Newest member of the Peaks family is the crunchiest bar around, the Peaks Crunched bar. Each bar has a crunchy biscuit smothered in Belgian chocolate and topped with delicious hazelnut pieces. The chocolate is vegan friendly, Rainforest Alliance certified, 64% cocoa and no palm oil. The delicious crunch bars are also contain a whopping 42% less sugar than a commercial chocolate bars. Get out. Oh, look. Oh, that looks good. Not the nicest flavour in the world. It's quite bitter, and I like bitter chocolate. But the nuts, I don't know. No. I feel like if it was almonds, I'd really like that. But I'm not. No. I'm just going to go back to my cauliflower crisps. Half good, half bad for me personally. Overall, it's a good box. But Marshmallows cauliflower crisps are amazing. Dental floss will definitely get used. Pesto will get used. The kids will eat that strawberry bar. I know that for a fact. He's like, he can smell the cauliflower crisps. Bugger off, dog. But he just wants everything. Bob. Bob. Lay down. You want a crispy? He doesn't want them. I'm watching you. Bob. Lay down. So yeah, I think it was a good box. Other than these. Didn't like that at all. No one in our house is gonna like them. Kind of wish I hadn't opened them. I knew I wasn't gonna like them. I feel like it's wasted them. And I hate wasting food. That really annoys me. So yeah, I'm annoyed that I've done that. But anyway, that was the box. If you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. If you have any really good vegan recipes that you could recommend to me, something that you make and that you love, whether you're vegan or not, I would really appreciate that. Leave some links down below so we can all have a look. That would be lovely. I'm going to go and stop rambling, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.